Welcome to Dr. JALIL Photography. This morning I found a very tiny, small, colorful jumping spider in my garden. I could not resist to take picture of this one. I brought that tiny spider in this plastic cup. I'll take some picture of this very tiny, colorful, very shiny spider on my tabletop studio. I'll be doing a very quick video and I'll have to release it again on my garden very soon. I think it will be difficult to see. It is sitting inside this box, very small. It is hanging inside. I've been uploading videos on photography on my tabletop studio, but I'll do a slightly different. Today I'll be doing a spider photo shoot in a slightly different gear system. You can see there is a ring light in front of my lens. I'll be reviewing the performance of this ring light as a macro photography lighting system. Before going into details, let me show you my other setup. This is a green leaf I will be using as a background, and this one is Godox MF12. I'll be telling why I'm using it. I bought this ring light a couple of years back when I started my macro photography journey on my tabletop studio during COVID time. But I could not use it because this gives a very strong light on the subject and I always get either overexposed or I get hot spot on my subject. But I had to modify this ring light and I have added a diffuser system in front of it, and now it is very good as a additional lighting system for macro photography on my tabletop studio. I'll show you the picture of this tiny spider. I'll be using these beautiful green leaves. I'll put the spider on it and take pictures. I've taken several shots of this jumping spider still on this leaf without diffuser on the ring light and with the diffuser on the ring light as well. But it's not enough to do photography at f8 or f6, f5.6 or anything above 4, because at higher f-stop the aperture is very small. For getting better quality picture, I'll be using Godox MF12 in addition to this. But why I'm using it? Because it will give some illumination on my subject for focus picking. Otherwise, it is difficult to get focus picking on the LCD screen. So this will help me in getting some focus picking on my subject. It doesn't have any good value in photography. Only I'll get some light from the front so that I can get a better focusing on my LCD screen. That's all. That's the purpose of this. This is the main flash I'll be using for taking pictures of this jumping spider. Let me start. I'll place this is the green leaf I'll be using as a background. Let me tell you the camera setting. I'll be using ISO 200, shutter speed of 1/100, and flash strength I'll be using 1/1, full flash strength, and aperture I'll do at f8. And after taking some picture, I'll show you. Alright, the camera setting is right. Now I'll switch on the ring light, switch on the flash. I place the Godox MF12 flash on the side in an angle position. I'm setting the height by turning the jack down, and this is the wheel I'll be using for setting the angle. Beautiful position. Let me check. Changing the wheel for changing the angle. I've taken plenty of shots and I'll show you in the LCD screen. You can see on my LCD screen I have taken several shots. You can see this ring light doesn't give me enough light for photography, even without the diffuser system. You see, there is no diffuser at this moment. And this spider is hanging on the leaf. You see, now I've added a diffuser on my ring light, and I'm sure I'll not be able to take any picture with this light. This is not enough because I'll be shooting at f8. If I do it in f2 or f3, I think there will be some light. But with diffuser system and higher aperture value, it is not possible to take picture with diffuser and insufficient light from this ring light. Now I'll show you some picture with diffuser on it. I've taken plenty of shots, and I'll transfer all the pictures in the Lightroom, and I'll show you. If you like my photography, if you like my macro photography techniques, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new in my channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon for my upcoming projects. Thank you for watching until the end. Bye bye.